Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best 10 by 12 replacement canopy top on the market. The Eurmax USA High-Performance Replacement Canopy Top designed specifically for Lowe's Allen Roth heavy-duty gazebo roof. If you have a 10 by 12-foot gazebo from Lowe's Allen Roth, especially models made between 2012 and 2016, this replacement canopy top could be exactly what you need to give your outdoor space a fresh new look and reliable protection. This canopy top is crafted with premium 100% polyester fabric, which is designed to be durable and long-lasting. It's water-repellent, meaning it will shed water effectively rather than just resisting it. This is crucial for outdoor use where unpredictable weather can be a factor. Along with this, it features a strategic air vent that allows proper airflow under the canopy. This vent not only helps reduce wind resistance but also keeps the temperature comfortable when you're relaxing underneath, preventing that stuffy feeling some canopy tops tend to create. One of the biggest advantages of this canopy top is the perfect fit. This means it won't just hang loosely or be difficult to install. Instead, it fits snugly on the frame, ensuring a clean, streamlined look and providing stability against the elements. Do note that this is a replacement top only, so the metal frame is not included with the purchase. Speaking of installation, the Eurmax canopy top is designed to be easy to replace. Whether you're upgrading from an old canopy or simply need a new top, you'll find the installation process straightforward and hassle-free. The fabric is cut and sewn to match your gazebo's frame, so it should slide right on with minimal effort. The canopy dimensions are 120 inches by 120 inches, with a height of 84 inches, which matches the gazebo perfectly. It weighs around 7.5 pounds, making it manageable to handle during installation. The color option available, like the khaki shade, is subtle and blends well with most outdoor decors. While this canopy top is water repellent, it's important to keep in mind that it's not designed to withstand heavy rain or extreme weather conditions indefinitely. Proper care and occasional maintenance will ensure it lasts longer. Also, it comes with ultraviolet light protection to help prevent sun damage and fading, extending the life and appearance of the fabric. Overall, the Eurmax USA High-Performance Replacement Canopy Top stands out for its targeted design, high-quality materials, and thoughtful features like the air vent for ventilation. It offers a solid replacement solution for owners of Lowe's Allen Roth gazebos who want to maintain or improve their outdoor setup with a canopy top that fits well, looks good, and performs reliably. If you're looking to refresh your gazebo with a replacement canopy top that's made to last and designed for your specific gazebo model, this one from Eurmax USA is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.